Welcome back. Now we're going to look at how to add page description for each individual page that we have. So let's see how this is done. So the same way we have done with page title, we are going to do the same way. So let's start with the index view or the home page, and I'm going to create another section for the description, and I'm going to call it description. And then the description for this view or for this page, which is description for the home page. Comma, title, description, or basically quotes, description. And then we need to yield this section on the master. So we have this description, yield, and I'm going to call it description the same way we have called that section, description. Save. Let's see from the browser. Let's go to the home page. So we cannot be able to view the description unless we click and right click, unless we view the source code. And now as you can see, we have this meta name description and we have this description here. So let's do the same for, let's copy this to the show page. Let's go to the show page. I'm going to click this link. Let's do the same, right click, view, page source. As you can see, we didn't change anything, so let's change that. For the quotes, details, save, refresh, right click, click on page source. Now as you can see, the description has changed. Not actually. Yeah, this is the index. We changed for the index. Let's change for the show page, which is quotes, details, refresh, right click, page source. And now as you can see, we have this description for the quotes, details. So see you in the next lecture.